Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating topic of neuroplasticity and brain training techniques. Our brains are incredibly adaptable, and we can use this ability to improve our cognitive function and overall well-being. In this video, we'll be discussing what neuroplasticity is, how it works, and various brain training techniques that can help us harness its power. Before we dive into the topic, let's first understand what neuroplasticity is. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout our lives. Our brains are constantly changing in response to our experiences, and this ability is what allows us to learn, form new memories, and recover from injuries. At the core of neuroplasticity is the idea that our brains are made up of billions of neurons that communicate with each other through specialized connections called synapses. When we learn something new or experience something that changes our brains, these synapses can strengthen or weaken, and new connections can form. So, how can we use this knowledge to improve our cognitive function? There are several brain training techniques that can help us harness the power of neuroplasticity. The first technique we'll be discussing is meditation. Meditation has been shown to have a variety of benefits for the brain, including reducing stress, improving attention, and increasing feelings of well-being. When we meditate, we're essentially training our brains to focus on the present moment and ignore distractions. This can help strengthen the connections in our prefrontal cortex, the part of our brain responsible for attention and decision-making. Another brain training technique that's closely related to meditation is mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being aware of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This practice can help us become more aware of our automatic thought patterns and how they may be affecting our behavior. The third brain training technique we'll be discussing is cognitive training. Cognitive training involves a variety of activities designed to improve specific cognitive functions, such as memory, attention, and problem solving. Some examples of cognitive training activities include puzzles, games, and brain training apps. Finally, we have physical exercise. Exercise has been shown to have a variety of benefits for the brain, including improving cognitive function, reducing stress, and increasing the growth of new neurons in the hippocampus, the part of our brain responsible for memory. When we exercise, we're essentially stimulating our brains to release various chemicals, such as endorphins, that can improve our mood and cognitive function. While these brain training techniques can be helpful, it's important to note that the brain is complex, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another, and it's important to find what works best for you. Additionally, it's important to approach these brain training techniques with a growth mindset, understanding that the brain is always changing, and that improvement is possible with practice and persistence. That's all for today's video on neuroplasticity brain training techniques. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with these techniques, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.